Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack GPS tracking device on MG Hector car, which is a push start stop vehicle, and we will not cut any wire so that the warranty doesn't void. So this is MG Hector car. Now let's see the wiring installation for the Speedotrack GPS tracking device. For the installation, first you have to open the bonnet. Here you will find the fuse box and all the wirings necessary for the GPS installation. So first you have to remove this cover by opening this nuts. So on the right side, just next to the battery, you can see the fuse box. You have to gently open the fuse box cover. There you can find all the wiring. Here is the fuse diagram. So let's check the continue power line without any ignition. So this port is having the 12 volt power supply without any ignition. Now let's start the engine. So the engine is start now. And we have to find a fuse that will turn off the engine. So the third number fuse, 1, 2, 3. When we take out this fuse, you can see the engine turns off. So here we have to connect the relay green wire in series. Now let's see the ignition status. So we have to find out the ignition fuse. So for finding it out, we have to turn on the ignition and check in which fuse we are getting the 12 volt power supply. So here we are getting the 12 volt power supply. So the 5th and 6th number fuse, which is the 10 ampere fuse, is your ignition supply. So you can connect in any of the two. So when the ignition turns on, you can see 12 volt, and when we turn off, it will show 0 volt. So it is the ignition fuse, from where you can get the ignition status of the vehicle. Now let's see the packaging. Inside the Speedotrack box, we get Speedotrack GPS tracking device, 12 volt relay socket, and Airtel SIM card with internet pack for 1 year. So let's start the wiring. Now take the white wire of the relay, which is the positive supply, and red wire of the device, which is the positive supply for the device. Connect with the pin as shown in video. And same do with the green wire of the relay for making it series. So on the first port, we are getting the continue power supply. We have connected the device red wire and the relay white wire for the positive supply. Now the green wire of the relay is connected here in the fuse which turns off the engine. So we have made a series connection through the relay and ensure that the proper taping has been done. After that, connect the white wire of the device, which is the digital output for immobilizing the engine, to the yellow wire of the relay. Just connect both the wire and tape it. Now we have to connect the yellow wire of the device, which is the ignition wire, to the ignition fuse. So yellow wire of the GPS tracking device is connected to the ignition fuse to get the ignition status. You can connect to any of the two, 5th and 6th number. Now connect the Speedotrack 12 volt relay to the relay socket. And the last wiring of the device is the black wire, which should be connected to the body ground. You can connect to any source where you are getting the body ground. We are getting from this coupler, so we connected here. You can connect anywhere where you get the body ground, body earth. Now the wiring process is complete. You can see the green light is on the Speedotrack GPS device. Now let's open the Speedotrack mobile tracking application. Enter your username and password provided by your dealer. Click on login. Here on the home screen you can see all your vehicles in a map card form. So click on MG Hector live tracking and your vehicle is live now. Now let's turn to satellite view. You can see the satellite image. In the bottom you can see the status like battery level, GSM level, GPS level, timing, etc. Now we will turn on the engine. So the engine is on now. In the Speedotrack mobile application, now you can see that the engine status is on because we turned on the engine. You can see the engine status is on. Now we will test the immobilizer function of Speedotrack to turn off the vehicle remotely. So we will click on the lock icon and enter the password provided. Then click on proceed and then GPRS. So now as you can see the engine is on, but after sending the lock command, engine turns off and you can see the error on the dashboard. Power check. So if someone steals your vehicle, you can just turn off your engine remotely and the vehicle will stop. Now if you press the button, the start button, it will not work because it is locked by our device. For opening it, we have to click the unlock button and enter the password. And then click on GPRS. So the command is successfully executed from our end to the device. Now the device has unlocked the engine. Now you can see you can turn on the engine because it is now in the unlock mode.
गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो गई.
Here in the bottom you can see the external battery voltage, device battery, engine status, GPS level, GSM level and many more things. So the wiring process of Speedotrack GPS tracking device on MG Hector without any wire cut on the push start vehicle is complete.